Okay, my Ipsy bag arrived. Okay, my Ipsy bag has arrived, and I'm like a little friggin' child every time. It's like only like my 6th bag maybe. Oh, I'm so freaking excited. All right, I had to run downstairs and put on the camera, even though I don't have lipstick on, but then what if there's lipstick in here and I can try it out? So here it goes. Stay tuned, Ipsy bag. Okay, April Ipsy bag, it's in here. I'm all set. I'm like thrilled and excited, and I'm opening it up. All right, I'm gonna feel around, learning to feel around. There's something outside of the bag. Should we do that first? Yes. Outside of the bag is a brush. Cool. A Glamour Dolls brush. It is very pretty. It's very smooth and soft and little and white and beautiful. And I love getting brushes. They're like my favorite thing. I like obsess about each new brush every time I've gotten a brush. I think I only have 3 brushes maybe from Ipsy. Okay, it's nice. I think this will come in handy. I'm already happy. It's Christmas, it's Ipsy Day. Oh, happy Ipsy Day. Okay, so right then and there, I'm thinking like, I feel like it's not that, it's kind of a stiffer brush, which I kind of like. I don't think I have one like this. Soft, but stiff. All right, it's soft, but stiff. I like it. That's really gonna be nice for applying. Eyeshadow. Why can't I remember the word? Okay, let's get to the bag. Come on, people. Ooh, millennial. Oh, I love it. There's butterflies. There's a millennial, and it's so pretty. And it's a little sparkly rose golden. Like, it's perfect for the spring. Okay. Cool. I managed to avoid like all spoilers. All right, here we go. Social butterfly, and it's really cute. All right, so I always do it like a grab bag. So grab bag. So there's a lotion. Oh, lips, hemps for lips. If you watch me on my other channel, Twisted Blonde in Maryland, I do some medical marijuana stuff, and this is hemp. So maybe I'll bring this over and do a review over there for it. All right, hemps for the lips. It is, I'm squeezing it. Oh, it's coming out. Go right on the lip. It smells so good. I'm so bad with smells. Like peaches or tropical. It's like, I know, I put my glasses on, I can smell it. Oh my God, I'm in love. It's perfect. It smells like peaches. There's something delicious and I love it. Oh, perfect. First happy thing, 2 happy things already. Let's go see what's next. Next is something. Here we go. Boom. It is eyeshadow, a creamy metallic foil eyeshadow. Oh wow, it's like textured looking. All right, what I do with the brush? Brand new brush. In. All right, it smooths out when you do it. And it comes on really light and really glittery. Can you see? We're gonna have to dig in. All right, and then put it on. It's very sparkly. Definitely for evening use. Can you see it? I'm gonna use my finger. Oh, it's soft. It is, okay, so it says it did say it was a cream, didn't it? All right, so you're gonna have to pack it on with your hand. That is nice. That is going to be fun. Fun. Might have to give it to my daughter for prom. All right, cool. All right, so 3 things, 3 winners, I think. That's like very light, not very pigmented, but that's going to be fun. That's fun for nighttime. All right, so one more thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 things. 4 things. All right, and NYX something or other. Some kind of lip butter, I guess. Let's see. I can't get it open. Did I only get 4 things? I have such a mess on this desk. 1, 2, 3, 4. And she's supposed to get 5? Who cares? I'm happy. Life is good. We can almost open it up now. Very nice. And then we'll swatch it up here. All right, cool color. I can definitely get some use of that. All right, awesome. All right, thank you, Ipsy. Oh, embrace up. Let's try it on. Okay. What do you think? I don't think it's me. All right. Well, thanks for watching Melody Mills Toasted Blonde. Yet another Ipsy bag. And I'm just thinking like, I'm like peering into my bag. Is there anything else? Well, thanks for watching Melody Mills Toasted Blonde. Bye-bye.